Anveeg, you know what? Across the last couple of years, I have had countless conversations with founders,
Mhm.
sales leaders, and even uh, s- customer success teams, and everyone is wrestling with the same problem.
Right.
Live demos do not scale much, right?
Yeah, we hear that a lot, like especially from small teams or solo founders trying to
Mhm.
build and sell at the same time.
Exactly. So there are a number of issues, right? I mean, like
Correct.
issues with the time zones, stakeholders, who want to
Yes.
walk through on their own time, founders, juggling back-to-back meetings. Some meetings actually get
Right.
prolonged, right? And it becomes very difficult to actually schedule such demos. They can't make it, and at times it just goes from days to weeks, and then weeks to months.
Yeah, that definitely happens. And let's be honest, even when the demo happens, there's no guarantee
Mhm.
it goes smoothly. Like tech issues, then there's low energy, people are joining late. It's far from ideal.
Exactly, and that is why DemoDazzle makes sense, right? I mean,
Right.
so if someone is unable to actually watch the demo at a particular time, they don't have to
Correct.
reschedule, right?
Yes. Yeah.
We can just go ahead and build interactive guided sessions, and
Mhm.
it works. It is far more flexible and pretty much there's no friction.
Right. And like while our talking assistants like 3D assistants and static
Mhm.
assistants already made a big difference by guiding users in real time, we knew we had to go further with it.
Right. Yeah, I know. I mean, like a number of virtual agencies are using it. I mean, some salespeople are also using it, right?
Right.
Customer
Yes.
success teams for onboarding, L&D teams. Uh, so,
For
so
the
what has
training
changed now?
purposes. Yeah.
Yeah, what has changed now? I mean,
So we have rolled out our like biggest upgrade yet. So DemoDazzle
Mhm.
now integrates with D-ID and ElevenLabs, which means
Wow.
your assistant doesn't just talk, it uses your own
Mhm.
face and your voice too.
So does it mean that I can upload my picture?
Correct. Yes, you can upload your picture, and if you have cloned your voice using ElevenLabs, then you can just
Wait,
add
wait, wait.
that voice to.
Hold on. So you mean I can have a virtual version of myself doing the demo?
Exactly. Yes, and
Wow.
best part is that it even answers the questions.
That's powerful, because at the end of the day, people connect with people, right? Not
Correct.
just avatars. And I've seen in like some explainer videos which people create using
Hmm.
agent and Loom. So
Correct.
so this is brilliant. This is like you don't have to you don't have to have a static video, right? The
Right.
way Loom has, right?
Yes. Yes. And
Good,
exactly like where it gets even better is it doesn't just present, it answers questions. The assistant
real
is
time.
like smart enough to handle user interactions mid demo, just like you do on a live call, just like how we are doing it right now.
Good. So it's not just a pitch, it's an actual conversation. That's a massive leap for product-led growth.
Right. And like I will just show you a quick preview right now. So let me just
Sure, go
go
ahead.
ahead. And so here you see our two agents like avatars. One is our 3D avatars that we had till now. And now I will show you one which is integrated with D-ID and ElevenLabs. So I start.
Welcome to our DemoDazzle how-to series where we'll guide you step by step on creating interactive, engaging demos.
Wow.
So you see
I
me
mean, it
talking
just
here.
right. It just seems that it's real. I mean, please go ahead. It's exciting.
Yes.
Ready to create awesome demo flows in DemoDazzle? You've got two ways to do it. First, with our super handy browser extension, fast and effortless. Second, by uploading a demo presentation as a PDF, perfect for pre-made slides.
It feels
In this
natural.
session, we'll dive.
Yes. So even if I have to ask a question here, so let's say like a very basic question, like who are you? So I will
Hmm.
just do it like this.
I'm Anveeg, your friendly guide for DemoDazzle. I help you understand how our platform makes creating and sharing product demos easy and effective. Want to see how it can
Awesome.
save you time and boost your sales?
So see, it even answers your questions and that too in real time. So
Yeah,
like if your viewers have any questions during the demo session, it's not like they have to wait and then call somebody to ask the questions. They can just directly ask the avatar here, and it answers just like how you would answer in your calls. So
right.
I
And
can,
the
yeah,
tone, the face movement, it feels natural, right? Like a
yes,
proper video recording.
correct. So I can just go ahead
In
and
this
resume
session,
it
we'll
to
dive
hear
into
the rest
using
of
the
the session.
extension to create.
But for now,
Mhm.
let's just end it here, and I can just go
So
ahead.
essentially, I mean, right now you were demonstrating DemoDazzle on DemoDazzle itself, right? Like how
Correct.
good, good. You know, yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, and the best part, like no camera needed, no mic is needed,
Exactly.
just one setup and it's run forever. Like you are showing up in every demo without actually being there.
That changes everything, especially for early stage teams, sales teams trying to
Correct.
personalize or scale. Nowadays, we call solopreneurs, right?
Right.
I mean,
Yes.
they can't be doing everything by themselves, and it is
Yeah.
through the use of these tools and
Yeah.
like
They're
agentic
already
AI.
wearing multiple hats. So let's just
Exactly.
make it easy for them.
Good. So, I mean, it's like they don't need to re-record over and over again, and it works pretty good, Anvik.
Yes, exactly. Like DemoDazzle becomes your always on, always sharp assistant, like powered by you.
Hmm. And just to clarify, you're not diving into how to set this up, how to set it up in this episode, right? Are you
Right,
going to
right.
show
This
that as well?
episode is, yeah, so right, the episode is just about giving people how it feels and what's possible. If you want to learn how to set it up, we have linked a separate video which you will see somewhere here, and you can see the full walkthrough there.
Awesome. Awesome. I think, that would be good, uh, people can actually try themselves or uh, they can reach you out as well, right?
Yes, definitely.
Good, good. Very nice. Uh, that's fine. So what is your final word on it?
So it's best is like there's no more time zone struggles, like no more waiting for calendars to align. It's
I
just
agree.
your story told perfectly every single time.
And and it's it's a virtual you who is telling this
Correct.
story. So
Yes.
DemoDazzle is not just a demo tool, it's like selling at scale. It helps in onboarding. It helps learning and development teams, prepare trainings
Correct.
and
Yeah.
get away from boring sessions and embrace interactive sessions using DemoDazzle.
Yes. So if you're already using DemoDazzle, your assistant is ready for this upgrade. Log in, give it your own voice, and watch it work. And if you're new, like this is how DemoDazzle works, and you can try to use it today.
Awesome. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.